One Central C, hey, your body of hey.
Love, it's overdue.
Think about it overnight. There's truth in the lies. You didn't even seem to care when I blew through a 5.
Welcome to Owen Allen Media. Many people did not see this one coming. Vybz Kartel and Central C link up is finally happening. So during a recent episode of Apple Music Show, Central C surprised fans by calling Vybz Kartel live on FaceTime.
One Central C, hey, your body of hey.
Love, it's overdue. The link up's overdue.
Sure, man, I know for real.
Yeah, no, I'm here, man. I'm ready for that. I'm dropping my album.
Oh, I didn't know you were dropping an album.
Can't Rush Greatness. That's the name.
Can't rush greatness.
Can't rush it.
How the am I not on that album though? Like, that's crazy.
Bro,
we have to do something, man.
I got some great ideas still.
Yeah, man, we're ready for work, G, man. No, ready now, man.
It'll be a blessing still.
Up Jamaica, up England, up New York and them place, you mean?
Everywhere.
Central C Cartel, Bumbo, Global.
The GOAT. Appreciate you guys, bro.
It's an honor to talk to you, you know? Respect your music and your art, and it's a joy.
There's a lot of words still that need to be said, so likewise, innit?
Yeah, man, I love real man, G, man, and the respect, man. Trust me.
The love is likewise.
This is dancehall and the UK coming together because the UK has been heavily influenced by dancehall music and Jamaican culture. So Central C made it clear that this collaboration, this link up between Vybz Kartel is long overdue, and Central C told Vybz Kartel his album is on the way. Kartel then asked Central C why he is not on the project. Kartel also said that they will lock down New York and the UK together. So now that Vybz Kartel has secured his visa, the long-awaited meeting between the two artists could happen in America or the UK, where Kartel is set to perform at a highly anticipated show. Now, the link up between Vybz Kartel and Central C is basically dancehall and the UK coming together, as I said, and Central C is one of the biggest artists in the game right now, dominating the global charts, while Vybz Kartel remains one of the most influential figures in dancehall music. You see me? So even after years of being incarcerated, so with Central C and Vybz Kartel both at the top of their game, fans can only expect, the big impact when they actually collaborate on their song, whether Central C is going to add Vybz Kartel to his album or they're going to collaborate separately. I wonder if people know how big Kartel will get in 2025. You don't even understand. And Vybz Kartel is literally getting everything that he deserves, for a man, for an artist of his caliber. You see me? So big up Vybz Kartel, big up Central C, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section about this link up, if you think it will be great. Because even though Central C has been out and doing great things, I really haven't seen him link up any other dancehall artists or even want to do a song with them. So the fact that Central C is coming out and saying, yo, Vybz Kartel is the GOAT. And the funny thing, all of your favorite rappers and artists, they all have Vybz Kartel as their favorite artist. You see me? So that is how powerful Vybz Kartel is right now on the global scene. And even in Jamaica, we know Vybz Kartel is very influential. So again, let me know what your thoughts are and what you think about this link up in the comment section. Owen Allen Media, we keep you informed.